Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate class tracking for projects in QuickBooks Online. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to automate class tracking for projects in QuickBooks Online, you need to first of all get logged in into your QuickBooks by simply purchasing the plan first. Once you have done this, you need to simply first enable class tracking in your account settings. After you have set or open the class tracking option, you need to then create a unique class for each project. You can automate assignments by using rules or by setting the class on a transaction row. Though true automation requires QuickBooks Online advanced workflow or by setting up rules within the project feature for more direct project-specific tracking. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.